Take control of your action. We are from Developmee, and today we will present you our plan and analysis of our business.
Developmee's organizational plan will be based on the following key components. The first one being ownership structure. Developmee will be owned and run by 4 individuals known as partners. Each partner will have an equal say in the management and decision-making of the company and will share in the profits and losses of the business. We will have a partnership agreement that outlines the responsibilities and obligations of each partner, as well as how profits and losses will be shared. This include details on the management and decision-making process, capital contributions, and dispute resolution. Second, management team. The management team will consist of a CEO, COO, CFO, and Director of Marketing. The CEO, Fakhri, will be responsible for overall strategic direction and vision of the company. The COO, Richel, myself, will oversee day-to-day operations and including class, development, and delivery, while the CFO, Dinda, will manage the company's financials. The Director of Marketing, Julia, will be responsible for developing and implementing marketing strategies to drive customer acquisition and retention. Third, employee structure. Developmee will have a flat organizational structure with a focus on collaboration and empowerment. Employees will be encouraged to take ownerships of their work and make decisions that align with the company's goals. Developmee will also provide regular training and development opportunities for employees to help them grow in their roles. Fourth, management philosophy. Developmee's management philosophy is centered on a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. The management team will be committed to staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices in the industry and using this knowledge to continuously improve the company's offerings and services. Additionally, we assure the organizational plan of our company truly maximizes simplicity and accessibility with exceptional managing without sacrificing effectiveness to our workflow. And fifth, business model. Developmee's business model is based on providing soft skill development classes to individuals in a private class format. These classes will be delivered both in person and online, with a focus on providing an exclusive and intensive learning experience. The company will generate revenue through tuition fees and additional services such as coaching and counseling. Overall, Developmee's organizational plan is designed to create a strong and effective management team, a culture of continuous improvement, and a business model that is scalable and sustainable.
Okay, next up we will talk about Developmee financial plan. First of all, we will talk about revenue projection. Developmee revenue will be generated primarily through tuition fees for our classes, but we will also generate additional revenue from coaching and counseling. This is our revenue projection for the next 3 years are as follow. Year 1, with the plan of having 2 offline class and 2 online class per month. In a year, we will have a total of 93 million rupiah. On the second year, we will have 2 offline class and 4 online class. We will have a total revenue of 129 million rupiah. And then on the third year, with 3 offline class and 4 online classes, we will have a total revenue of 158 million rupiah. Next up is the expense projections. Our expenses will include costs associated with class development and delivery, such as trainer, venue, and other materials. Additionally, we will also have expenses associated with marketing, technology, and general administrative costs. Our expense projections for the next 3 years are as follow. Same as before, the first year with 2 offline class and 2 online class will have a total expense of 31 million. The second year will have a total expense of 40 million. And the third year will have a total expense with 51 million rupiah. With that, we can calculate the profit projections using the revenue and expense projection outlined above. We calculate our profit projection as follow. The first year, we will have a total profit of 62,160,000 rupiah. The second year, we will have a total profit of 89,040,000 rupiah. And lastly, the third year, we will have a total profit of 106,680,000 rupiah. Our break-even point is the point at which our revenue is equal to our expenses. The break-even point of Developmee is 31 million in revenue. Cash flow projections is the amount of cash that is flowing into and out of the business. Our cash flow projection for the next 3 years are as follow. The first year having 15 million rupiah, the second year having 20 million rupiah, and the third year having 25 million rupiah. It's important to note that this projection are estimates and actual results may vary. The financial plan will be regularly reviewed and updated to reflect any changes in the business and ensure that Developmee is on track to achieve its financial goal. Overall, the financial plan for Developmee demonstrates that the company is on a solid financial footing and projected to be financially healthy in the next 3 years.
Okay, next is growth plan. A growth plan is an important part of any business plan as it outlines the strategies and the tactics that the company will use to expand and grow in the future. This is Developmee's growth plan for the upcoming years. The first one is market expansion. Developmee will focus on expanding our reach by targeting new geographic markets, starting with other major cities in Indonesia and expanding internationally. We will also expand our offerings by developing new classes and services that meet the evolving needs of our customers. The second one is partnerships and collaborations. Developmee will seek out strategic partnerships and collaborations with other businesses and organizations in the education and training space. These partnerships will help us to reach new audiences, access new resources, and gain access to new markets. The third, product development. Developmee will continue to innovate and improve our products by constantly seeking feedback from our customers and incorporating their needs and preferences into our class offerings. We will also explore new technologies such as virtual and augmented reality to enhance the learning experience for our customers. The fourth, marketing and advertising. Developmee will increase our marketing and advertising efforts to reach new customers and raise awareness about our brand and services. This includes leveraging digital marketing channels such as social media, search engine optimization, and pay-per-click advertising. The next one is employee development. Developmee will invest in the development and growth of our employees to ensure that we have the talent and resources necessary to support our growth. This includes providing regular training and development opportunities, as well as creating a positive and inclusive work culture that empowers employees to reach their full potential. And the last one is financing. As we grow, Developmee will seek out additional financing to support our expansion efforts. This may include venture capital funding, angel investments, or debt financing. Overall, the growth plan for Developmee is designed to support the long-term growth and sustainability of the business. Developmee will be well-positioned to capitalize on opportunities and meet the evolving needs of our customers.
To prepare for the worst, our contingency plan focuses on our most probable issues, such as, first, lack of mentors. Developmee may face a shortage of trainers due to high demand turnover or other factors. To minimize this risk, Developmee will maintain a pool of qualified trainers who can be called upon as needed. Additionally, Developmee will continuously recruit and train new trainers to ensure that we have a steady supply of qualified individuals to meet the needs of our customers. Secondly, low-level demands. Developmee's revenue may be negatively impacted by slower than expected sales. To minimize this risk, Developmee will closely monitor sales trends and take appropriate actions such as adjusting pricing, revising marketing strategies, or launching new products or services. Third, changes in regulations. Developmee may be affected by changes in regulations that govern the education industry. To minimize this risk, Developmee will closely monitor any changes in regulations and take appropriate actions to ensure that the business is in compliance. Fourth, technology failures. Developmee, especially our online classes, may be affected by technology failures such as internet outage or equipment malfunctions. To minimize this risk, Developmee will implement a robust disaster recovery plan that includes regular backups and testing of our systems, as well as redundancy in our infrastructure. Fifth, competition. Developmee may face increased competitions from other education providers. To minimize this risk, Developmee will continuously innovate and improve our products and services to stay ahead of the competition. Additionally, Developmee will leverage its reputation and brand to differentiate itself in the market. And sixth and final one is natural disasters. Developmee may face disruption of its services due to natural disasters such as flood, earthquake, or fire. To minimize this risk, Developmee will have a business continuity plan that outlines how the company will respond and recover from natural disasters, including backup plans for critical systems and processes. Overall, the contingency plan for Developmee is designed to help identify and mitigate potential risks that could negatively impact the business. By regularly monitoring and assessing risk and implementing appropriate mitigation strategies, Developmee will be well prepared to navigate any challenges that may arise.
5 forces. Further 5 forces framework is a method of analyzing the operating environment of the competition of a business. It draws from industrial organization economics to derive the 5 forces that determine the competitive intensity and therefore the attractiveness of an industry in terms of its profitability. The first is threats of new entrants. We analyze it as low. The barrier to entry for starting an education platform is relatively high. It requires a significant investment in technology, infrastructure, and marketing, as well as a strong team and experienced trainers. Additionally, Developmee has established a strong brand and reputation in the market, which would make it difficult for new entrants to compete. Second is threat of substitutes. We analyze it as medium. There are other forms of education, such as traditional universities and online education platforms that offer similar services. However, Developmee differentiates itself by focusing on soft skill development, which is not typically offered by traditional universities and other online platforms, making it less likely that customers will switch to a substitute. Third is bargaining power of buyers, who analyze it as medium because Developmee's target market is individuals seeking to improve their soft skills and advance in their careers. While there are large numbers of potential customers, they have a wide range of options available to them, which give them some bargaining power. Developmee's unique focus on soft skill development, however, can mitigate the bargaining power of buyers by providing a unique value proposition. The fourth is bargaining power of suppliers. We analyze it as low. Development has a wide range of trainers, so the bargaining power of any one trainer is low. Additionally, Development's use of technology allows for a large number of trainers to be connected to customers, which further reduces the bargaining power of any one trainer. Last is degree of rivalry. We analyze it as low because the education market in Indonesia is relatively untapped and there are few competitors that are offering similar services to Developmee. Additionally, Developmee's focus on soft skill development sets it apart from other education providers, which reduces the level of competition. Overall, the five forces analysis indicates that the competition in the education market in Indonesia is relatively low, which provides Developmee with a strong opportunity to establish itself as a leader in the market.
Next up, we will analyze using a tool called BISPOL, which used to identify and analyze the external factor that may impact a business. BISPOL stands for the following. The first one, P for political. The political environment in Indonesia can impact Developmee's operation as changes in law and regulation may affect the education industry. For example, changes in government policies related to education funding or accreditation could impact Developmee's ability to operate. To minimize this risk, Developmee will closely monitor any changes in law and regulation and take appropriate action. The second one is economic. The economic environment in Indonesia can impact Developmee operation, as changes in customer spending or unemployment rates can affect the demand for our service. To minimize this risk, Developmee will closely monitor economic trends and adjust pricing and marketing strategies as needed. The third one is socio-cultural. The cultural and social environment can impact the Developmee's operation, such as change in customer attitudes or value can change the effect demand for our service. For example, if there is a shift away from traditional education towards non-educational education, this could present an opportunity for Developmee. The fourth one is technological. Technological advancement can impact Developmee's operation as changes in technology can affect the delivery for our services. For example, the widespread use of video conference technology could make it way easier for Developmee to deliver classes online. Also, the use of virtual and augmented reality and social media and other digital platforms could change the way we market our services. Fifth one is environmental. The environmental factors such as natural disaster or climate change can also impact Developmee operation. For example, a natural disaster such as flood, earthquake, or electrical disrupt can disrupt our services. To minimize this risk, Developmee will implement a robust disaster recovery plan that includes regular check. And lastly is the legal. Developmee will be impacted by legal regulation and law. For example, changes in labor laws about minimum wage could affect our cost of trainers' fee and the way we operate. Additionally, changes in customer protection law could also affect the way we market our service. Again, we will closely look at the regulation and law and act according as needed.
Next is SWOT analysis. First is strength, experienced and qualified trainers. Developmee has a team of experienced and qualified trainers who have the skills and expertise to deliver high-quality soft skill development classes. Second is focus on soft skills. Developmee focuses on providing classes that teach crucial skills that are not typically taught in the classroom, such as communication, public speaking, negotiation, and leadership. And third is flexible class format. Developmee offers classes in both online and offline format, providing flexibility for customers who want to learn it at their own pace and convenience. Weakness. The first is limited geographical reach. Developmee currently only operates in the Jabodetabek area and does not have a presence in other major cities in Indonesia. Second, dependence on a small number of key customers. Developmee's revenue may be affected if we lose a significant number of key customers. Third is Developmee currently has a limited product offering because our products are focused on soft skills, which may not be as in demand as other types of education or training. Fourth, Developmee is relatively new and may not yet have the same level of recognition and reputation as established players in the education market. First, the soft skill education market in Indonesia is relatively unsafe. providing an opportunity for Developmee to establish ourselves as a leader in this industry. Second, there is an increasing demand for soft skill development, which presents an opportunity for Developmee to expand our offerings and reach new customers. Third, Developmee can expand its reach by targeting new geographic markets, both domestically and internationally. And fourth, the rise of online learning could provide an opportunity for Developmee to expand our reach and reach customers outside our traditional geographic area. Additionally, online classes can offer more flexibility and convenience for students. 5. Developmee can seek out strategic partnerships and collaboration with other businesses and organizations in the education and training space. These partnerships could open new markets, give access to new resources, and provide access to new customers. Next is technological advancement, can provide opportunities for Developmee to enhance the quality of our classes and services by embracing technologies such as virtual and augmented reality. Developmee can create new and innovative ways to deliver our classes. Last, Developmee can capitalize on the trend and personalize learning by creating custom classes, coaching sessions, and mentoring programs that cater to the unique needs of individual students. This approach can increase the effectiveness of our services and in turn attract more customers. 3. First is Developmee may face competition from other education providers, both in Indonesia and internationally. The education market is becoming increasingly crowded and competitive, which could make it difficult for Developmee to attract and retain customers. Second, economic downturns could negatively impact consumer spending and affect our revenue. And third is government regulation. Developmee could be affected by changes in government regulations that govern the education industry. For example, changes in licensing requirements, tax law, or labor laws could increase our costs and make it more difficult for us to operate.
Okay, the next step is table of cost and profit Developmee in offline meeting. We can calculate the profit by the total revenue minus total cost, and so we can get the results. In this case, by offline meeting, we can get the total revenue from 12 participants in the amount of 2,400,000 rupiah minus by the cost in the 930,000 rupiah. So we get the profit in the amount of 1,470,000 rupiah. Same as the previous slide before, the profit from online meeting is from the calculating the total revenue minus the total of the cost, and we get the profit in the amount of 1,120,000 rupiah.
That is all for our presentation of our plan and analysis. Next up, we will present our company profile video and advertisement. Enjoy.
In this uncertain age, take control of your success. Introducing Developmee, the inclusive education service platform that empowers individuals to take control of their self-development and career success. Our mission is to provide world-class soft skill education to anyone in a private class format. At Developmee, we believe that the current curriculum does not place enough emphasis on crucial skills, leaving a gap in the current education system. Developmee filled this gap by providing non-formal education that gives individuals the tools they need to succeed in today's uncertain world. That's why we offer non-formal education that give individuals the tools they need to succeed. Our classes are affordable and accessible to everyone, not just the upper class. Our product offerings include a wide range of classes on public speaking, speech, negotiation, leadership, entrepreneurship, and so much more. We are committed to providing a world-class soft skill education to everyone. Our experienced trainer understands the specific needs of our students and tailor our lesson to help them reach their full potential. With our flexible format option, we provide both offline in-person class and online classes on an international scale. Our offline classes are held at top workspaces with premium facility, providing an exclusive and intensive learning experience like no other. While our online classes provide the flexibility and reach for everyone. Develop your skill with limitless network. Highlighting the affordability and accessibility of our classes, our platform is designed to empower individuals from all backgrounds to take control of their self-development and career success. Developmee is a unique and valuable solution for individuals looking to improve their soft skill and advance in their career. Join Developmee today and take the first step towards unlocking your full potential. Sign up for a class and take control of your success.